Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 4140 MP Welder is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this welder promises to deliver exceptional performance and precision. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, capabilities, and overall value of the Forney 140 MP Welder, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your welding needs. Number 5. Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI Flux-Cored Welder. This 140 FCI machine is designed for ease of use, utilizing 0.030 in flux-core wire. It offers infinite voltage and wire feed speed control, allowing you to achieve the perfect weld every time. It's the ideal entry-level welder for any DIY enthusiast. With a 140 amp output, it can weld up to 1/4 inch of mild steel. It accommodates both 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. Weighing only 19 pounds, it's easily portable, making it perfect for any project. The package includes an 8-foot MIG gun, an 8-foot ground clamp, and a 20 amp to 15 amp adapter. Everything you need to get started is right there. Constructed with an all-metal case, it's built to withstand daily use. This ensures it will be a reliable tool for years to come. It doesn't require gas and can run off standard household power, as long as you have at least a 20 amp breaker. This makes it incredibly convenient for any welding task. Visit the Forney brand store on Amazon to find recommended accessories and consumables. Enhance your welding experience with the right tools. What we like. This welder is incredibly user-friendly, perfect for beginners. It's also highly portable, making it easy to move around your workshop or garage. If you're just starting out with welding or need a convenient, gas-free option for small projects, this is the one for you. What people say. The welder is easy to set up and use. The machine is capable of welding a variety of materials and thicknesses. The arc is stable and the welds are clean. Number 4. Forney 271 Easy Weld 140 MP Welder. This is a 3-in-1 machine, capable of stick, MIG, and DC-TIG welding. It offers flexibility for a wide range of projects, making it a great choice for various applications. It features a simple start feature and a 3-position switch for quick process changes. Infinite voltage and wire feed speed adjustments allow you to dial in a perfect weld every time. The package includes a 10-foot MIG gun, an 8-foot electrode holder, and an 8-foot ground clamp. Also included is a 20 amp, 15 amp adapter and an extra .030 inch contact tip. Constructed with an all-metal case, it's built to withstand daily use. This ensures durability and reliability, no matter the job. All you need to operate this machine is a 120-volt power source. This makes it convenient and easy to use in various locations. Visit Forney's Amazon brand store to find recommended accessories and consumables. You can find everything you need to get the most out of it. What we like. This multi-process welder offers incredible versatility with its MIG, DC-TIG, and stick welding capabilities. It provides precise control, allowing you to dial in the perfect weld for any project. If you are looking for a single machine that can handle a wide range of welding tasks, from metal art to automotive repair, then this is the ideal choice. What people say. The welder is easy to set up and use. It has a good duty cycle for a 140 amp welder. The machine is capable of welding up to 1/4 inch steel. Number 3. Forney 298 Easy Weld 100 ST 90 amp welder. This is the Forney Easy Weld 298. It's perfect for various welding projects. The 120-volt input makes it easy to use with any household outlet. With a 90 amp output, it can handle even the toughest jobs. This welder is designed to get the job done efficiently. Included are an 8-foot electrode holder and an 8-foot ground clamp. This machine comes with everything you need to get started. Constructed with an all-metal case, this welder is built tough. It's designed to withstand daily use and last for a long time. All you need to operate it is a 120-volt power source. It's simple to set up and get working on your projects. Visit Forney's Amazon brand store for recommended accessories and consumables. Find everything you need to complete your welding tasks. What we like. This welder is a versatile machine, perfect for various welding projects. It's also efficient, providing a powerful output for its size. If you like a simple, reliable stick welder for home repairs or small projects, this is a great option. What people say. This unit is lightweight, half the size of my old one, and starts an arc much easier. It is easy on the electrical system. I have used this for many things that took me much longer without a welder. Number 2. Forney Easy Weld 180 amp stick welder. This welder can handle up to 1 2-inch mild steel. It offers an amperage range from 10 to 90 amps on 120 volts, and 10 to 180 amps on 230 volts. This gives you the power you need for various projects. The Easy Start technology ensures every strike is easy. It eliminates the frustration of the electrode sticking. This makes the welding process smoother and more efficient. It functions as both a DC stick and TIG welder. This versatility allows you to tackle a wide range of welding tasks with a single machine. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced welders. The welder comes with an 8-foot electrode holder and cable, an 8-foot ground clamp and cable, a 230 to 120 volt adapter, and a 6-foot power cord. Everything you need to get started is included in the box. Check out the Forney brand store on Amazon for recommended accessories and consumables. You can find everything you need to enhance your welding experience. Explore the full range of products to complement it. What we like. This welder boasts a powerful output, allowing you to weld thicker materials. The Easy Start technology eliminates frustration, making your work easier. If you are looking for a welder that can handle demanding tasks and provide a smooth welding experience, you should consider it. What people say. The welder is easy to set up and use. It has a good duty cycle for its size. The machine is capable of welding a variety of materials. Number 1. Forney 318 190 amp MIG Welder. This MIG welder is incredibly user-friendly. It features a Euroconnect MIG gun with Tweco-style consumables, and a fast disconnect for easy torch swapping and liner cleaning. The design has been significantly improved. It features an upgraded cast aluminum wire drive system, dual-geared idler and drive roll, integrated feet, and a torch wrap for cable organization. This design extends the life of the cable. This MIG and Flux-Cored capable unit can weld up to 3 8-inch. It also features a larger cabinet, providing easy access to both 4 and 8-inch spools. This welder is perfect for various applications. It's ideal for DIY projects, metal fabrication, maintenance and repair work, as well as farm and ranch use and automotive applications. The package includes the 190 MIG welder, a MIG gun with a 10-foot lead, a 10-foot ground cable and clamp, a 15-foot input power cable, a gas hose, and a regulator. What we like. This welder is designed for ease of use with its Euroconnect MIG gun. It features an improved design with an upgraded wire drive system. If you are looking for a powerful and spacious machine for DIY, metal fabrication, or automotive work, this is the one for you. What people say. Very nice welder right out of the it took less than 5 min to set up. It welds very nice and very smooth. It has a very nice gun that would recommend this welder. Excellent unit, I use this welder on my farm and it handles anything I throw at it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.